Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science, and every product gets the honest spotlight it deserves. Today, we're getting up close with the Pantene Keratin Leave-In Conditioner with Argan Oil, a treatment promising to rescue dry, damaged, and color-treated hair by repairing split ends and shielding strands from further damage. It's a formaldehyde-free formula designed to smooth, moisturize, and strengthen, all in one easy step. Now, let's unpack what's inside. This conditioner is infused with hydrolyzed keratin protein, known for its ability to rebuild and strengthen hair fibers by filling in gaps along the cuticle. Complementing that, Argan Oil steps in as a rich source of antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which help lock in moisture and impart shine. Plus, provitamin B5, or Panthenol, plays its role as a hydrating agent that adds softness and flexibility. This combo is tailored for hair that's seen better days, especially if it's color-treated or chemically processed. I've incorporated this leave-in into my routine for a few weeks now, applying it to damp hair right after washing and before styling. The texture is lightweight, not greasy, which is a relief because no one wants a heavy conditioner weighing hair down. The scent is fresh and clean, classic Pantene, but not overpowering. As it absorbs, my hair feels instantly more manageable, slipping through my fingers with less tugging. The frizz reduction is noticeable, especially on humid days, and those pesky split ends seem softer and less brittle. Over time, the hair feels stronger and has a healthy bounce without stiffness or residue. However, I did notice that while it performs well on medium to fine hair types like mine, those with thicker, coarser strands might need a heavier formula or additional hydration. Also, if you prefer scent-free products, this one has a light fragrance, which might not be for everyone. On the plus side, the packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly with a secure cap, perfect for tossing in your bag without leaks. The 8.4 fluid ounces size strikes a good balance between lasting a reasonable time and not taking up too much space. Formulation-wise, being formaldehyde-free is a significant plus, especially for anyone sensitive to harsh chemicals or maintaining color vibrancy. That said, the price sits in the mid-range spectrum. Considering the quality ingredients and multi-benefit formula, I'd say it's fair value, especially if you're battling dryness and damage regularly. If budget's tight but you want something similar, there are other keratin-infused leave-in conditioners on the market that might come at a lower price point, but often without argan oil or provitamin B5, which are nice boosts here. Compared to other keratin treatments I've tried, Pantene's offering holds its own. It's less intensive than salon keratin treatments, but much more convenient for daily use. The protective benefits against damage also set it apart from simpler moisturizers or detanglers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Pantene's Keratin Leave-In Conditioner strikes a solid balance of science-backed ingredients and everyday usability. It's well-suited for anyone looking to maintain or restore hair softness, shine, and resilience, especially if your hair has endured coloring or chemical processes. While it's not a miracle worker, it certainly makes damaged hair look and feel healthier with consistent use. Thanks for watching, and if you've already tried this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'm always curious about different experiences. You'll find a purchase link in the description or comments for easy access. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.